So, hello everyone. I am Shardul Shastri. Now we will be creating the AWS account and host the EC2 instance. First of all, we need to just create the AWS account and create a and sign into that. So this is the official website of AWS account. So I have created the account. So you just need to create the account and sign into it. So after sign in, this will be your web page. Here you can see the recently visited folder. So in services and in compute section, you can see the EC2 instance. So click on that, and this is how you can see the web page. Here you can see the instances running are 0. So and total instances have created are 2. So we will be creating a Windows based AWS EC2 instance. So first of all, we need to just uh, select the region from which we are hosting a EC2 instance. So nearest to the me is Mumbai region. So I will be selecting that. So after selecting the region, we can launch the instance. After launching the instance, you just have to just upload the few details such as name and tags. As you will be uploading, you will be hosting a EC2 instance which is Windows based. So I will give you can give also your name. So I will be give Shardul Windows name to the instance. So here in this section, you just have to select the operating system you need to host on a EC2 instance. Uh, this is in this we will be selecting the latest server. So this is the 2022 base server. So after selecting the servers, we need to select the instance type. There are various types of instance types. In this instance type, we will be accessing or giving the memory and CPU to the instance we can host. So here there are various instances such as T2 small, T2 medium, T2 large. In T2 large, we are giving 2 core CPU and 8 GB memory to the EC2 instance. But we are selecting here free server, which is T2 micro. In this, we are giving one CPU, 1 core CPU, and 1 GB memory to the EC2 instance. Here, now we will be selecting the key pair, which will required when you remotely access the uh, uh, we will remotely access the instance. So here we just have to create the password, which can be used after remotely accessing the instance. Here I will use Shardul key as a password. Okay, then here you have to select the PAM file, which will generate the PAM file, and it will be downloaded here. As you can see that here the PAM file is downloaded. Okay, now after selecting the key pair, now we will just have to select the network setting, which will required for our EC2 instance. Here we just have to select the security group of the EC2 instance and allow the RDP traffic. We just have to click the RDP traffic, and here the security group can be my IP, custom IP. You can create the custom IP and access through that custom IP only. In my IP, only from your IP only you can access the virtual machine. And here I have selected the anywhere, means this instance can be accessible from anywhere in the world. Now here in the configuration storage, we will be giving the configuration storage to the our host EC2 instance. So I will keep it as a default. So in this summary section, you can see the summary of your instance. In number of instances, you can select the number of instances of the same specification you can host. So after clicking on the launch instance, it will be create the instance of EC2 instance of which will be the Windows based. Okay. Here initiated the launch of EC2 instance. We can see that after clicking on the instance, you can see the status of our instances. Okay. Here Shardul Windows, we can see that it is in the pending state. After checking the checkbox, we can see the details of our instance. Here we can see the various details of our instances, such as security details, network details, storage details. Okay. After some time, we can see the our EC2 instance is in running state. So that we can connect it to the server. So after clicking on the Shardul windows, we will be connecting to the server. Okay, when we go in the RDP section, RDP client section, we just have to download the remote desktop file, which can be downloaded here. You can see, as you can see, after connecting the EC2 instance, we will require the password, which is same password as we have created as a key pair. So we just have to click on the get password and upload private key file, which is same as the PEM file we have created. Shardul PEM file. Now, after clicking on the descript password, we can see the password is created. When we copy the password and paste it here, we can start the EC2 instance, which will be the Windows based. Okay, as you can see, the instance is starting. It will take some time. Okay, here we can see the Windows operating system is running. It will take some time to just start the EC2 instance. Here we can see that our Windows operating system, which is hosted on the EC2 platform of the AWS console. So here we can see the Windows 10 operating system we have selected as a EC2 instance. This is a virtual machine which we can access from anywhere in the world. Okay. This is how we can create a virtual machine from this is okay. Thank you.